Sorry, excuse me, Lily. Hi. I didn't mean to cough into the camera. Hello. Today is July 5th. You guys are out of town, so I'm happy to make this video lesson for you since you can't be here. What I'd love to do is start with actually you pausing the video, and then we're going to do, we normally do, you're going to warm up, then we're going to review some of the old songs where you can play along with me. And then I'm going to teach you some of the newer songs that we would have done today, you know, going forward in the book and making progress. You've done a great job. So I suggest, obviously, you know, your warm-up is whatever you choose. I suggest maybe that Jingle Bells you play so well. It could be anything, but let's just see. So what I'd like to do is, again, just pause, warm up with any song that you like, and then back. Okay, so now that you're back, Lily, and you're all warmed up with something or other, anything that's both hands is fine. What I'd love to do is review two of your old songs, which are The Donkey and Rock Anywhere. So what I'd like you to do is I'm going to count us in, which means I'm going to give you the speed of the quarter notes, saying 1, 2, 3, 4, the speed of the quarter notes, and then you're going to play along with me. If at any time that's annoying or weird, or whatever, or if it's like too fast or too slow or something, you can pause me, whatever, and then play it at your own pace. That's what's great about these lessons, okay? So if you'd like to, you can play along with me like a practice buddy, just like time. The Donkey, okay? Page 10 of your green book, okay? Page 10, The Donkey. Notice it says P piano, we talked about that. F forte loud. P piano means soft, okay? So I'm going to start The Donkey. I'm going to count us in. This is the speed of our notes. 1, 2, 3, piano. Still soft. Forte. Need to be loud, Lily. Yes, there's repeat side, but that's only really for performance. Great. Okay, so again, if you need to do each hand at this point, hands separate still, if it's still kind of weird, you can pause the video and just do right hand, just do left hand. Okay, but that was The Donkey. If you'd like to play the next one with me, Rock Anywhere, I'm going to play Rock Anywhere. This is review. Notice at the beginning it has MF. That stands for mezzo forte. That is medium loud. Okay. Again, we have those lines just like we did with The Donkey, right? Slurs. That means play it as a musical phrase. It means play it very smoothly and connected together. Just like if you were saying a sentence, you would say, rock can be found in a tune. Just like the words say in the song, Rock Anywhere. Rock can be found in a tune. You wouldn't say rock can be found in a tune. It would be very smooth all together, right? So that's how we want to play this Rock Anywhere, especially where those lines are, okay? So play with me if you like. Rock Anywhere, mezzo forte, and then what does it do? Third line, you see an F. That stands for forte. We get to play really loud there. But what that means, though, Lily, is that the MF, like, don't start out too loud. Otherwise, you'll have nowhere to go when you get to forte. You'll get to forte, take it from me. You'll go to forte, and then you'll be like, I can't play any louder. This is it. Right? So just kind of like pull back a little bit, and then when you get to forte, you can really kind of go for it. Ready? So I'm going to count us in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was Rock Anywhere in the Green Book on page 11. All right, favorite words. I don't think we did this one last time. If we did, this is another review. Favorite words, it says gently. This is page 12 of the Green Book. Gently, and it says P at the beginning, which means piano. Gently is not fast or slow. So it's up to your interpretation. Okay, so that means like you play it gently, whatever that means to Lily. It means we get to decide our tempo, how fast or slow, because no one's telling us. But you'll have a lot of songs like that in your life, where it'll say like sweetly or defiantly or something. It's like, okay, sure, I guess, but not necessarily fast or slow. So it's funny how the book says, oh, this is called the tempo marking. It's not always a tempo marking. Usually it is, but not always. And sometimes it's in English, and sometimes it's in, most of the time it's in Italian, but sometimes it's in English. Sometimes you'll get a German piece. It's in German. It's like, okay, you got to look up what the German means. It's weird. So you'll have a lot of different music in your life. In this case, we have gently and we have piano. So I have a pretty good idea of what that means to me. I see some slur lines, those big curvy lines, Lily, on like lines 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but not the first line, not the last line, which is interesting to me. But whatever. So I'm going to try to play extra smoothly on those slurred lines. Okay, so play it right along with me if you'd like. At any point, you can pause. But if you need to, like I said, pause and just like play by yourself, like read it by yourself, you certainly can. If you want to just play along with me, like I said, like a practice buddy, great. This is favorite words on page 12. Great. That's how the song sounds. So sometimes it's cool to get that in your ear. But again, if you need to do it in some other fashion, like left and right hand by itself or whatever, you totally can. Now, I'm going to show you the position too. See, Lily, this is all right hand 1 on middle C, left hand pinky, what we call bass C. Okay, so that's the whole song, just like the donkey and just like Rock Anywhere, right? All 3 of these songs are that. Okay, now let's move on. I'm going to play for you playing in G position, page 14 of the Green Book. C, middle C, D, E, F, G. Middle C, C. This is G. This is my new anchor. That's a G. But then look, there's an even lower G, Lily. So G, okay, so this is middle C. This is G. 4 notes down. And then this is a G down here. Think of it as it is if you're looking at the 3 black key group, Lily, it's the second white key. I also want to show you, because in your book, they show you exactly where it is. This is middle C. This is G. Okay, G, A, B, C, D. This is middle C, G, A, B, C, D. So this is a perfect representation, frankly, of a keyboard, a real piano. So this is a new position. Look how far apart my hands are. So there's a G here that's totally empty. That's correct. This is their position, okay? So I'm going to play for you position G, just so you can get a feel for how it sounds. Right hand first. It says mezzo forte. So medium loud. Easy enough, right? You're really just going, a 5-note scale in your new position. But still, do it, get used to it. It's a great warm up. And remember, even when you're busy in the summer and you don't have time for stuff, remember, you can always just go. You put your hands in C position, Lily, and just go. Start from the bottom, go up, and then go down. See, it's not as easy as it seems. I just messed up. Yeah. I gotta really think about it, But anyway, position G, this is kind of like that. You know what I mean? So this is your position. Try position G. This is hand separate anyway, because the whole first line is just right hand, right, Lily? And then the whole second line is left hand. So here it is again. The next page is going to be, it's page 15, but I get to see you next time, so I'm really excited. We're going to do page 15 together, writing in G position. That will actually help page 14 make more sense. But that doesn't mean I don't want you to try page 14. I want you to try page 14. Once again, this is C position. Right, this is middle C. This is the lower C. This is my new position in my right hand G. So this is C position. This is G position. And you can also go by sound, right? So if it doesn't make sense, like what you're looking at, like where to put your hand. Try to match the sound. This is great ear training for you, so that you know what sort of lines up. Like, does your hand position line up with that sound that you're hearing? Okay. Now, the jingle bells, actually on pages 16 and 17, we've already done because they were so much fun. You like your other version better, but it's cool to know that we already know pages 16 and 17. Willie and Tilly. I'm going to play this one for you hand separate. This is a brand new one, page 18 of the green book. It's called Willie and Tilly. Don't worry about the riddle thing and the words and all that stuff. It's just fun stuff. But you'll see this is the new G position. And this is where we're going to play the song. Okay, I'm going to play performance tempo first, and then I'm going to play it hand separate for you so you can kind of see and you can try it on your own afterwards. This is Willie and Tilly performance tempo. Okay, now just the right hand of Willie and Tilly, page 18. I'm sorry. Yeah, just the right hand. But notice, Lily, that the right hand doesn't start until the second line at the very end. Like it's like left hand, left hand, left hand. See? Left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand. And then the right hand doesn't start till here. So I'm going to start at the right hand where it says and. There's a 5 finger. I'm in my new G position. So the right hand doesn't really have a whole lot in the song. This is the left hand of Willie and Tilly. definitely works harder with this up. So again, my new G position, okay? That would be the right hand right there, but I'm going to keep going with the left. 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, those are tied together. Okay, so again, now I want you to try that one on your own. Okay, so I'm wrapping up. I want you to try Willie and Tilly on your own. I want you to practice that one. Position G, I'd love for you to practice just once a day. Your piano practice should be 5 minutes each day, okay? Favorite words, once a day. So pages 12, 13, 14, and page 18, okay? So try all those. Willie and Tilly, try hand separate first. Then when they feel really good, then try playing them together. Frankly, when they get boring. When the right hand gets boring, the left hand gets boring, you're like, oh, that's when you know to put them both together, right? Great. And then a friend like you will do some other time. We'll do next time when I get to see you in person. It's great. But on, let's see. Yes, and like I said, on page 15, we'll do that together. Don't worry about doing that on your own. If you want to try it, great. But I'm happy to help you do it in the studio. As always, if you have any questions, something doesn't make sense, you need help with something, you're always welcome to email me, Mrs. Heather Lanza at hotmail.com. Mommy and Daddy can ask any questions, anything that doesn't, like I said, doesn't make sense or anything. Or if you want to move forward, you can always ask that if you're ready. But otherwise, I will see you in 2 weeks. Enjoy, have fun, take your time, Lily. No rush. Anything that you don't understand, like I said, you can email me, but you can also wait until you come back. But give these a try. You'll have fun.